Ain't nobody stopping my shine. They try to break me, try to take me out, but I got Jesus on my side. Hurt so bad I thought I would die, but ain't no power stronger than the one that came and laid down his life. And I got mountains to climb. But hey
everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lisa Marie. Today I'm going to be bringing you another what I eat in a day. Today, yeah, I'm just lounging around the house today. I'm off of work due to COVID, and so I'm just lounging around the house today, and we chilling. So I'm gonna just be showing you guys what I eat in a day. I'm just gonna be taking you along with me today, showing you guys what I eat in a day. Yeah, so we're gonna get into the first meal. It is 1 o'clock and I haven't ate nothing yet. So yeah, I think I have a taste for some breakfast food, since I don't ever really get to eat breakfast like that with me eating so late. So yeah, I think I'm gonna do some breakfast food, and I think I want some sausage and some eggs. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead, get right into the first meal, and yeah, let's go. Okay, you guys, so we're gonna do some sausages in my air fryer. I'm gonna do 4 sausages in my air fryer, and these are the old folks. These are so good, you guys. I get them in the medium heat, and for 2 patties it is 160 calories. So I'm gonna do 4 patties in my air fryer. So this air fryer should be warm enough. We're just gonna drop our pan, our sausages in there, and I'm gonna let this go for about 10 minutes. I'm gonna put it on 350. So yeah. And while we're doing that, we're gonna make us some eggs. So yeah, guys, while the sausages are going, we're gonna do us some eggs. I have 3 eggs here in a bowl. I'm going to put some pepper in it, some of my adobo seasoning, just a little, because I don't want it to be too salty. I don't like no salty eggs. And then we're going to go in with my seasoning. And that's it. We're going to just mix that. Mix that in. Beat, 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 beat. I like to beat my eggs, y'all. So yeah, we're gonna get the skillet ready. Those eggs are ready to be cooked. Okay, so we're gonna hit it with a little of this avocado oil. We're going to dump the eggs. Check out eggs. Almost done. When I get to this stage, I'm like to throw me just a little cheese in there. Just a little. That cheese ain't never hurt nobody. So yeah. So at this point they're done. I'm gonna turn the stove off. And yeah, let the steam melt that cheese. And we done. We're done. Okay, you guys, so our sausages should be done. Let's see. Ooh. Ooh, yes. They are done, honey. So let me go ahead and plate this out. Okay, you guys, so this is my little breakfast bowl. My little first meal of the day. My 4 sausages, and I got about 3 eggs. And yeah, this is my first meal of the day. This is what I'm gonna be breaking my fast with. So yeah, I'm going to enjoy, and I have my water. And yeah, I will come back to you when it's time for the next meal. Okay, y'all, so your girl is supposed to have her a smoothie. I'm going to be doing spinach, and I'm going to be doing this mix right here: pineapple, strawberry, mango, and peaches. So good. And I'm going to be doing chia seeds and a banana, and yeah, that's gonna be my smoothie. So let's just get right on into it.
Rail and Marshmallow on the beat.
Hey you guys, I just want to come back and show you guys how my smoothie turned out. So delicious. So delicious. Really good. So yeah, this is my lunch, and I'm gonna follow this. I'm gonna take my vitamins. I'm not gonna do my detox tea right now this early. I'm gonna wait and have it tonight before I go to bed, and I'm gonna have it hot, so I'll show you guys that later on. But yeah, this is lunch, and I'll be back with you guys when it's time for dinner. Hey you guys, so I'm back. It is 7:15, so we're gonna go ahead and start prepping our dinner so I can be eating by 7:30 because I have to get my meal in before 8 o'clock. So yeah, I'm gonna be having grilled chicken, and I'm gonna make me a cucumber and tomato salad. So yeah, let's get into it. Okay y'all, so we're going to cut up our cucumbers. I'm only gonna do a half a cucumber. Just gonna cut it up like this. My chicken is in the air fryer. I'm gonna put it in our bowl like this, and I'm gonna do a whole tomato. I'm just gonna slice it up like that. So you're gonna slice it up like that. So I'm gonna put it in my bowl. that. And then what I do is I put some pepper on it. I love pepper. Put a little pepper on there, like that. And then I take some zesty Italian dressing. No matter what brand you use, I use the Great Value brand. And I just put it all over, like that. And then I take a little bit of my apple cider vinegar. And I put a little bit of that in there, like that. And then I just take my little knife and I mix it together. Or you can put the top on there and shake it. But I'm just gonna mix it with my knife, like so. And that's my cucumber salad. Okay. Yes, honey. Leave a comment in the comments if you like cucumber salad. Okay, yeah, you guys. So this is my last meal of the day. My grilled chicken. I have a grilled breast and a leg, and my cucumber and tomato salad. So yes, that's the last meal of the day, and I'm going to enjoy it. Okay, you guys, so that brings this video to a close. That's everything that I ate today. Everything was so delicious. I hope I gave you guys some tips. Yeah, that's everything I ate. So yeah, I'm probably gonna, I know I said I was gonna drink my tea hot, but since I'm so full and it's probably gonna be past 8 o'clock when I drink it, I'm just gonna probably drink it cold. So that's gonna be later on or whatever. So yeah, you guys, thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that bell so you can be notified every time your girl posts a video, so you won't miss a video. So yeah, without further ado, hope everybody have a blessed day, and until the next video, peace.